Hello everyone, welcome to part 176 of ecom series in Laravel 6, and in this video we will continue working on the PDF invoice that we have started in last video, and we able to make the design for the PDF invoice. In fact, we have downloaded the design of PDF invoice from online, but now we need to make it dynamic. In the last video we have make the static design. Okay, you can export and we'll check that we able to get the design from online, but it is static design. All the data coming in this design is static. Okay, so we need to make changes in this design, and that we will do in this video. We need to show uh, we need to show here order details, and here we need to show shipping details of the user, and here we will show the ordered products that the user have placed, and then we will show subtotal, shipping, coupon, grand total, and all everything we are going to show. We will show same like we have done in order invoice. So same kind of order summary we are going to show in order in new PDF as well. Okay, so let's start working on this thing. And we have seen that we able to generate the PDF though, and we able to copy all the data in the output variable. In the last video we just copy the HTML code, but we have not made any changes. You can see we just simply done the copy paste kind of thing, but not done anything in that. Okay, but in this video we are going to make this PDF dynamic. Okay, so let's start. This CSS we have got from online itself, so we will keep it like this, but here we are going to make changes, and in place of this company details we are going to add the order details. Okay, so here we will mention the order details like order ID, order date, order amount, order status, payment method, everything we are going to mention. Okay, so here I am going to do yeah, one more thing we need to do here. We can see that where this information is displayed, so that we must know. See here the invoice. Okay, so I'm going to make this invoice little bit bigger, 100%. Okay, so you can see this is the project. Okay, this is the project detail. This part is has been shown here, but where is this part? This part is not there at all. Okay, so I think that there might be some issue with the CSS. Okay, we can do one thing here. We can make changes. We can make it this ID as project as well, and then we can have here we can do one thing. Here we can do style. We can make the inline style as well, because this page is independent of other pages, so we can do anything here. So float right, we can make it like this. Now I'm going to check once again. So here we need to export, we need to generate the PDF many times. Okay, because only then we will come to know that whether our PDF is correct or not. Okay, so I just want to see the format here, and see here now it looks fine, and here order details will come, and here shipping details will come. Okay, so let's see. And one more thing we can do here, in the similar way we can also have data here, so that it will be easier for us to manage. So we can just simply copy paste this thing here as well. Okay, so I'm going to copy paste this thing here as well, and we'll see now that how it will look. Okay, so we need to do this task again and again to see the changes. Okay, so now see here, now it looks even better. Okay, now I'm going to make this thing dynamic, and first of all I'm going to show here the order ID. Okay, so and after order ID, here order ID, and order ID we already know, like same like invoice details we need to fetch here as well in the similar way. So what we can do, we can open the invoice blade file, this file, so that we will come to know, see here, order details here, this variable. Okay, so from here we will get the idea, like in order id we can simply put this order id here as well. Okay, so we will just need to do it like this, and here this order id will come. Sorry, here it will come like this, and this order id will also come in invoice, and now we are going to check. Here it is, this is the invoice. Okay, and here the logo of the website will come, means whichever your company is, your company logo will come here. Okay, so for that we will check in our folder what logo we are having, and we are going to specify the logo, like same like e-commerce admin, such kind of logo we are going to specify. So we are going to check public images, backend images. So this one, this logo.png we are going to display. Okay, so this logo.png we will see here. Okay, so now we're going to check logo.png here, and here we need to make changes for that one. Images, backend underscore images, and logo.png. Okay, so now this one logo has also come up, and after that order id has come up, and after order id we will add order date. Okay, and after that we are going to add order amount, and after that we are going to add order status. Okay, all the information regarding order. Okay, and after that we are going to add payment method. Okay, and this one I'm going to move. Okay, so here in the same way I'm going to add the data. Order date, come here, created add. That order amount. Okay, here this is grand total is the variable for us. Okay, and after that we are going to add here the order status. Okay, so here payment method will come. Okay, now it seems to be fine, and now here we need to display the shipping address. Okay, so here we can do one thing, we can simply display the shipping address here, like starting from the name, customer name, and here we are going to check the shipping address, and this one we require there. Okay, in the same way we are going to do, first I will copy and paste for all, so that it will save time, then we will check this. Okay, here name, after that address, after even then if you don't want to give this, you can simply give shipping address here as well. Okay, it's your choice. City, state. Okay, after that pin code, state will also come, country. Okay, mobile. Okay, this one, that much information will come here, and we are going to display here city, state. After that I don't remember exactly, so we can check here. It is pin code, fine. Pin code, country, and mobile. Okay, so now we can check this. Okay, this we can check. First of all, let's check that whether it is coming fine or not. Okay, so I am going to click on view PDF invoice and we'll see it download the PDF, and I am going to see that order details have, see, logo has come up here, e-commerce admin, your company logo will come here, that is fine. Okay, if the logo is little bit bigger then it will look even better. Okay, so invoice one is the order ID that has come up as well. You can make it order ID as well, means order invoice, anything you can write whatever you like. And after that, order ID one, order date this one, order amount this one, order status, payment method, that is looking fine. Now name, address, city, state, postal code, country, pin code, country, and mobile, everything, all the information has come up here as well. Okay, here we need to give address, and if in case you don't want to give this one, then it's your choice. You can simply remove. Okay, because it is understandable that you have given here, the person has given here shipping address. Okay, so you can even remove this one. And one more thing you can do, here in the beginning you can give shipping address in strong. Okay, so that will also look good. You can put like this, shipping address like this. Okay, strong. Save, and now check once again, close these two, and now we are going to refresh. Okay, and we'll see. So now we are going to see, now it looks even better. See, the order details has come up here and shipping address has come up here. You can do one more thing here that will even look better. You can make here like city comma state, and after state you can give country, pin code, so that our lines can be saved. Okay, city and state is together, name address is fine, and pin code and country, and after country you can give pin code as well. Okay, so here you can again give it in 2 lines. Okay, so that is fine up till now. Now we need to work on this thing, this data we need to work on, and for that we will check the order invoice. Here we want the loop that will display all ordered products. Okay, so in the similar manner like we have done here, so similar kind of thing is required here as well. Now we have the format, we can make changes. Here all the attributes will come in the same way like we have done for order invoice HTML form here. So we can do one thing, we can simply copy all this and we'll paste and try that if it will come fine. We don't have that much time. Okay, see, now I just copy paste from there. Okay, might be it will work fine, then our task will be half done. Okay, so I just copy paste from there, and now need to do for this one as well, and this one also we are going to copy paste, and here I am going to copy from here to here, this one. Okay, and I am going to replace this tr, all tr I am going to replace up till this one, and I will show here. Okay, now we need to make changes. Now see, this output needs to get close, and we are going to see output. Okay, so fine, I am going to use this output wherever we are using some condition, we need to do that. Okay, so after this I am going to close this one like this, and this is the PHP itself, so no need to give it like this. Okay, it can be simple enough. Okay, like this. Okay, and after that for each statement, and for each can also come like this one. Okay, and after that all this will come, and here I'm going to add it like this. Okay, output, and this we will concatenate. Okay, so just append this one output, and after that here as well I'm going to close this one like this, and here again no need to give here, but here we are going to give the bracket, and here we are going to close the bracket as well. This one is not required, and this one is also not required. Okay, so like this, and after that once again output will come up here. Okay, I hope that everything is clear. We have done the for each loop here, but we have made sure that we need to do this output variable. We need to add everything in output variable by concatenate the code, by simply adding up the code. Okay, so after that, first of all, let's check up till and what here we need to do. Here we need to replace it with this one like this. Okay, and this one as well. Okay, now fine. Now we are going to export, and we'll see if the data has come up or not. Okay, so we click on view PDF invoice, and we'll see here it seems to be fine. Product code, size, color, price, quantity, and total. And this one is giving issue. There are two products, but this one must come here. So for that we will simply give here 5 5 5. Okay, and after that here we need to show this subtotal that we are calculating here. This subtotal will come here with INR. Okay, so we need to give like this INR, and that like this subtotal. Okay, and after that we will give shipping charges. They have given in bold, and we can also can give this one in bold, shipping charges, and shipping charges once again INR. Okay, I am not sure the shipping charges. We can give 0, and we need to check whether shipping charge variable, and here as well we can check here shipping charges is 0 here, so we can give 0. I think we have calculated the shipping charges as well, so we can check the shipping charges variable in orders table. Shipping charges there. Okay, so we can give here the shipping charges, but here we need to give it like this. Okay, I'm going to give it here same way. Copy, paste, and here I'm going to use the shipping charges. Okay, after that one more thing I will give here, and one more thing I am going to do. I am going to make it like this. Okay, this is going to plus, and after that I am going to add the coupon discount, and that we are going to reduce. Okay, coupon discount, and this we are going to minus. Okay, so here I am going to pick the variable for the coupon discount as well, coupon amount like this, and finally the grand total like this. this is not required, we can remove for the time being. And now everything is ready, and now we can check whether our new PDF invoice is ready or not. Okay, so let's click on view PDF invoice, and then now we can check it out and see it is coming in one page, invoice one, and order details are coming here, shipping address are coming here, and then these order product details are also coming up, and subtotal 3400, that is fine, shipping charges 0, coupon discount 340, and grand total is 3060. See here the formatting is really good. See here the horizontal row, and see here invoice were get on computer as valid without the signature, and see. So this invoice seems to be perfect, and even you can, if you will print this invoice, it will look really good. Okay, so you can check it out. See here, it looks really good enough in one page in A4 size paper. It is good enough. This invoice will resolve all your issues. If you want to keep along with your order, this invoice is required, so you can just simply print out this invoice and can give it. Okay, so I hope this is clear to you. Even you can download some other invoice design and can do in such a way you can make that dynamic as well. Okay, so we have just shown the example that how to make the PDF invoice, and for that we have just taken the design and just make the PDF. Okay, so I hope that everything is clear, and you require to install the DOM PDF package. Okay, that we have done in last video for getting such kind of invoice, PDF invoice. Okay, so in next video we will do something else, and in next video I will use my new MacBook uh, for making the video, so that voice will be clear. A lot of issues, a lot of complaints has come up from my friends that voice is not clear. So so I bought the new Mac, and we hope that will resolve the issue of my voice. And another issue is my English speaking is not so good, and so sorry for that. Yeah, I hope that it will improve. And if you have any confusion, any doubts, you can surely contact me in video description. I will try my best to reply each of my friends. Okay, so that's all for now. Have a nice time. Bye bye.